Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Get this door closed. Oh my goodness, it is Monday morning, and yeah, here we go, another day, lots of things to do. Amanda's not here today, seeing that it's a holiday. Her boyfriend's off work, and so they're spending time together. So she's not going to be around. So I'm going to be flying solo for at least a couple hours. Emma and Devin are coming over here in just a little while. He's going to spend a couple hours with us. So I'm not sure what's going to transpire there. I'll tell you what, though. I am getting really tired of this weather. Florida is supposed to be the sunshine state. And I'll tell you what, we have had nothing but rainy weather for, oh my gosh, most of the month, I guess, now. Which we've needed it because we were in drought conditions for a while. I don't think that's the case anymore. But yeah, it was just raining every day, it seems like. And I haven't seen the sun, honestly. I haven't seen the sun in probably a week. Well, even when it's not raining, it's just overcast, you know, just cloudy, overcast, kind of miserable looking. Been a lot cooler than what it normally is. Now, I know a lot of you folks are experiencing this vortex right now and, you know, terrible winter conditions. But down here in Florida, you know, I've been here for about 5 years. And in this area, the last 5 years, you know, the temperature would drop for maybe a week, sometime in like late January, early February. And that would be the week that I would wear my shorts once or twice, or my long pants once or twice. And other than that, it'd drop down at night a little bit, and then during the daytime, it'd be 70 degrees. Just beautiful weather. But this year, it's just been unseasonably cold and rainy because of that El Nino that's affecting the weather coming across the Gulf, causing all kinds of problems for us. So, I don't know, I'm just getting tired of it because I'm behind on videos. Got to get out there and get some more stuff done, and you know, just the weather has not been cooperating. So I don't know. I don't know what to think. So I haven't been, you know, and because of that, part of that, that's the reason that I haven't been making videos the last 3 days or so. I haven't made any videos for like 3 days. Took a couple of days off over the weekend just to get some extra time and do some other things. Everybody needs a little break once in a while, and I took one. Oh, but now I'm back at it. So I'm hoping it's going to be raining on and off today. I'm hoping to catch a break in the rain because I got to get a review done and on one of these bikes. So that is the plan. Hopefully get one of those done here today. Maybe another one tomorrow. Tomorrow, when Amanda's back, we are going to be unboxing the 630 trike. Been excited to do that because it's kind of unique. That's going to get done, and so that's Tuesday. So you'll probably see the video on Wednesday for that. But oh my goodness, I've got to get out and do my impression ride on this one right here, the Heyoki. So that's coming. Still got to wrap up the review, final review on the Mach Wheel Obsidian and the Mooncool. And we got another one coming in tomorrow. So, yeah, interesting. All right, so I'm just trying to clean up here a little bit because I never really completed the cleanup around here. Yeah, Amanda and I worked on, you know, cleaning some stuff up and moving some stuff around, organizing a little bit. Still got a lot to do. Still haven't quite figured things out yet. I'm not sure where we put those. Leave them there. But we got to get some stuff done. Get some things organized a little bit better here. Yeah, I don't know. Those are her gloves, I think. I don't know. I'm going to put them with her helmet. I think those are her gloves. I think they're mine. I got this power cord over here. I got to get back over here now. Oh my gosh. This goes in this drawer now. And then my EcoFlow drawer. Amanda and I were supposed to break out this box. This is just a little shelf that we've got that's going to be sitting right over here at the end of this counter between the hot water heater. And I've got some grow lights. We're going to get some seeds started for vegetable garden I'm putting in. So a lot of you probably aren't even thinking of that, right? It's January. We're in the middle of a blizzard, and Richard's talking about planting seeds. Yeah. We can grow stuff here about 10 months out of the year, 11 months out of the year. Some people grow stuff all year long. So, but yeah, time to get some seeds started. And about 45 days or so, they'll be ready to plant. And that's how that goes. Oh, these are over here now. Gotta get these over here. Trying to remember where we move things around. So I've got all my chargers now in this big drawer over here because there's more space. So that's been actually helpful. Well, it's Monday morning, and I hear my buddy Tom out here with his blower. I think he's already been through doing a little grass cutting this morning, because that's what he does on Monday mornings. In the wintertime, he's only here every 2 to 3 weeks, just as needed. So it really didn't need to be cut. I think all he did was just do some trimming. All right. So I don't know. I think I'm going to make a trip with Emma and Devin to storage today. I collected a couple little things that need to go to storage. There's 1 or 2 things I need to pick up from storage. And yeah, I think I'm taking the e-bike to storage for today. And yeah, that's the only one that can go today. I got plans for the rest of these right now. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, anyway, I picked up, just terrible on Saturday. I picked up the Franken trike. That's what I'm going to start calling it, the Franken trike over here. This came from my buddy Gary over at Gary's e-bike adventures. His sister lives here in town, and she bought. I told you the story. Some of you may not have heard it though. She bought this trike on Amazon, canceled the order. They refunded her money. They sent her the trike anyway. She tried to send the trike back to them, but they didn't want it because it was too expensive, and they said just keep the trike. And what it was is this thing showed up in a box, and it's just parts. It's like at the factory, they just went around and grabbed parts and threw them in a box and said, okay, here's a trike, and that's what they sold. And they were selling this thing for about $1,000. I won't give you the name because I can't even pronounce it anyway. But this trike is being sold online under a couple of different names, but runs for about $1,000, and it's junk. I mean, it is. That's not part of it. That's the electric seat. I'll keep that. But yeah, the whole thing is just junk. Yeah, so here's the little seat. Pretty small in comparison to other trike seats. Really basic, but yeah. Here's the chassis. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the level of assembly that's required. There's the rear chassis. Here's the main frame right here. And then it's already got the handlebars wired up, so the wiring from the handlebars goes into the controller here already. So that's just kind of dangling and falling around. So yeah. Whew, I don't know. I've got a tub. Where is it? I think it's over there behind the trash can. That's where the 3 tires are and a whole bunch of other smaller components. We got a bag of screws right here. Nope, sorry, that's the chain. We got a bag of screws in here. Here's the chain. We got the pedals. A couple other items. I don't know what they're for. No instruction manual. And the online reviews, after I found it online, the online reviews are like 1 star. Everyone's complaint is, hey, I got a box of parts is all I got. I saw a couple of reviews that said, hey, we got a box of parts. We tried to assemble it. Stuff appears to be missing, and the company won't contact us and won't respond. And so one of those kind of cheesy deals, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as an example. I'm going to make a video out of it. Not going to try to assemble that. That's out of the question at this point. It's in really bad shape. But I'm going to use that as an example video of, hey, be careful what you buy online because that's the kind of crap you can get. And the sad thing about it is, I think it was like $1,099 actually. So you get a box of parts for $1,099, but you can go out here and get a Moon Cool for their E3, not 350, what's it called? The TK 350, or I don't know. They got a smaller trike, smaller motor, but it was like $1,100, okay? And then this one for a while was $14.99 or $15.99, that Moon Cool. And then of course you got the electric over here, which was $14.99. And so, you know, box of parts or a couple $100 more and you get a pretty decent trike, you know, actually pretty good trike. Just terrible, 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 terrible. Terrible times we live in. All right, so I've got to wrap up a few things here. I'm going to finish cleaning up. I'm going to take something out for a ride, so you're going to hopefully see another riding video shortly after this one, or it might be in the evening time when this comes out. I'm wanting to get to Amanda and I are working towards getting 2 videos out every day. One's going to be released in the morning at 7 a.m., and one's going to be released in the evening at either 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. I'm not sure yet. So we're hoping to start getting to the point where we're just going to be releasing 2 videos every day. And oftentimes I was releasing 2 videos, sometimes even 3 videos a day anyway, because just depending on how well things kind of moved along for me. But we're trying to get to where we're just a consistent every day getting 2 videos out. So be looking for that. But I got to go. I've got things to wrap up here. So you guys, I'll see you in another video real soon. If you're new here, subscribe, because you know what? Got a lot of different content. Garage videos, riding videos, solo rides, adventure rides, e-bike reviews, accessory reviews. I've got accessories here I need to review too. More videos got to come out real soon. So hey guys, stick around. I got something for everybody. Like this video. I'll see you in another video real soon.